This is code.org, and we are going to request a code review. Great. Commit your code and add a comment that includes a description of the goals and the intended outcome of your program. Any additional relevant information, specific tasks or questions you want. Oh, let me bring up Painter Plus. Specific task or questions that you want your reviewer to perform or answer. Got it. So we have committed our file, but we're going to add another commit because we want to add some information for this review. All right, so saving will overwrite existing, a description of the goal and the outcome. I'm just going to do it like this. Cool. Any relevant information? I think that basically covers it. I could say method name turn right, I guess. It's kind of up to you though. And then task or question. Question looks correct, I guess. So kind of a question. All right, so now they have information. This stuff's up to you what you want to say here. I'm just going to throw it in though. All right, now what? Click on the review tab, in the instructors panel. Instructions panel. So review, right? And then what are we going to do? Whoops, I lost it. Click Start Code Review button. This starts a code review and makes your project visible to your peers. You are not able to edit your code while you have a code review open. In the Review tab, choose a peer from the Review a Classmate's Project drop-down. Use your sentence starters to review your peers' work and leave comments. When you are done giving feedback, click the Return to My Project button. Okay, so review, that's where we're starting. We have that commit, right? And they can see that. I'm going to hit Start Review. Editing is disabled. And now I'm going to review a peer. Let's see if we have any. Yes, we do, because I did. So Fred, we're going to review Fred. And now we can take a look at Fred's code. So if I head over to Painter Plus, I can go ahead and answer any information that Fred might have put here, which was very lacking, right? But what you want to make sure to cover should be here, right? Okay, so let me do this. I'm going to zoom out on. No, I'm not. Giving feedback in the Review tab, choose a peer. Use your sentence starters to review your peer's work and leave comments. When you are done giving feedback, click the Return to Project. So guys, if you're thinking what the heck do they mean by sentence starters, right? Let's click up here. And it's accessible, although you should have this, especially my students. Oh, is that not going to let us? Let's click up here. There we are. And we can go down to the lesson that we're on, code reviews, lesson resources, and we can view the sentence starters here, code review resource. And so if I scroll way down here, tag, and here they are, sentence starters. Best part of code, I really like, and we can just steal some of these, right? I'm gonna grab one of these, and let me fill this in. So let me take a look at their program. The best part of your code is, I'm going to say formatting, sure. Because it makes your code. And I would recommend grabbing one of each of these. So I'll grab I am wondering next. And I'm going to say I'm wondering if comments and make. Okay, and then finally, let's do one of these. Give a suggestion. I'll use this, you might consider, and this is kind of related to my other one, but you might consider adding comments above each method, right? Explaining what's going on. Cool. And so I'm done with my review. Good to go. Hit and submit on this guy. It is submitted. And now I'm going to return to my project. Okay, let's double check here. When you're ready to close the code review, return to your project, click Close Review. And so my review isn't completed yet, but I am good to go at this point. I need the review to be done. And now back here, I'm going to hit refresh. And I did a really quick, really awful review, but you can see now what it will look like. Fred, great work, the review. This is the review. So I'll close my review process and yeah. we are good to go. Onward,